This video showcases the complete set of equipment for a dynamic blending fertilizer production line. This specific line is installed at a client's facility with an output capacity of 50 tons per hour. The batching system utilizes a 6-spin dynamic setup, capable of simultaneously handling the proportions of NPK and various secondary and trace elements. Material discharge speed and weight are automatically controlled, ensuring high precision with minimal margin of error. An electronic weighing system collects data in real time to guarantee the scientific accuracy and stability of the formula. The proportioned materials enter the rotary drum mixer via a bucket elevator, where the rotating drum ensures thorough and uniform blending. This ensures consistent nutrient content in every bag of finished product. Once mixed, the fertilizer is transported by a belt conveyor to a dual hopper packaging machine for automatic weighing and sealing, followed by automatic palletizing. The entire production line operates reliably and is simple to operate and maintain, achieving a fully integrated, automated process from batching and mixing to packaging.